Okay, this is how you tie a jig for what we call sockeye fishing. Most people call them crappie, but here we go. First thing you do, come up here and tie your knot. Then you go through the eye of your jig. Bring your knot down to the jig. And then give yourself a couple of wraps. I like to go 4. And you come down and you go straight through these 2 loops. And you tighten everything up. And I kind of like to wet it so you don't burn your line. And the reason you want a loop on the end like that, because you want your jig to swim in the water like that. If you tie it too tight, you're going to be straight up and down. You want your jig to kind of in the water like that.